Factoring, section 3. So quick recap. All you have to do if you're factoring x squared plus bx plus c, all you have to do is find factors of c that add up to b. Just always remember that right there. Only if it's x squared. Now if it was like 5x squared, we couldn't do that. So that's actually next section, which I'll teach you next time. I got my own little method for that. But if you got this, x squared here, here's your c, negative 30, here's your b, negative 13. So factors of negative 30 that add up to negative 13. Factors of negative 30, first ones I think about are 5 and 6 to give me positive 30. So I'm making negative on one to multiply, get negative 30, but they don't add to get negative 13. So I'll X that out. These aren't it. What are the correct ones?
Negative 15 and 2.
Negative 15 and positive 2. If you multiply those, yes, check. You get 30, negative 30. If you add those two, yes, you do get negative 13. Good. So these two lead you to your what? What do they lead you to? Your factors, right? These two lead you to your factors. So our factors are x times x gives me x squared. These two are the next part. Minus 15 because of that negative 15, plus 2 because of that positive 2. These two things are called factors of this because they multiply to give you this. That's a quick recap of how to factor x squared plus bx plus c. Factors of c that add up to b. Alright, nice little puzzle to solve. Alright, here's another example of factoring. This is x squared plus bx plus c. So x squared plus bx plus c. So b is equal to 3, c is equal to negative 12. Alright, so factors of c that add up to b. That's how we get our factors. So factors of c. So factors of negative 12 are, well, factors of 12 are 3 and 4. So make one of them negative. Okay, let's say negative 4. Do these factors add up to b? So add these two factors up, which is negative 1. Does that add up to b? No. Okay, so if I switch the negative in front, negative 3 and 4, that's negative 12, true, but is that 3? Add them up, that is only 1, so that doesn't work. Okay, next set of factors. What else are factors of 12 besides 3 and 4? 2 and 6, right? 2 and 6. So negative 2 and 6, that's negative, add them up, that's negative 4. If I put 2 and negative 6, notice the trend here. This makes, add them up, whoops, not negative 4, positive 4, and then this makes negative 4. The last ones, that doesn't work either. Last ones are 1 and 12. So 1 and 12, factors of 12. So negative 1 and 12, does that make, add them up to 3? No. So that doesn't work. How about 1 and negative 12? That won't work either, right? Okay, so add them up. It doesn't equal 3. In any of these cases, there are no factors of c that adds up to b. What does that mean? Well, what are the factors of 5, the number 5? Well, just 1 and 5. Is there anything else? No, because it's prime, right? So the only factors of this thing are 1 and this whole thing. So basically, this does not factor. So you'd have to say this doesn't factor like that. That's what you want to say. Does not factor. So, cannot be factored, something like that. Alright?